or peachy? Let's be honest, who doesn't want long and luscious lashes? And while we're big fans of mascara, we'd be lying if we said we haven't cheated on our favorite tube with falsies once or twice. Sometimes a few coats of makeup just isn't enough to get the dramatic look you crave. Mascara can work wonders on your lashes. But when you want to take your eye makeup to the next level, applying cluster falsies is a great option. But if you're not used to wearing falsies, putting them on can be tricky at first. Determined to get that false lash beauty look? Consider ditching the strip and opting for cluster eyelashes instead. Trust us, it's easier to do than you might think. In our video today, we will briefly walk you through a few key information that you should know before getting yourself ready. If you are a newbie in this, you shouldn't miss our video today. First of all, let us explain what is cluster lashes. Cluster lashes. They are exactly what they sound like. False lashes that come in a bundle form with a few individual lash hairs in each bundle. These can be used to increase thickness, volume, and length in specific areas, such as the outer corner of your eye. Not only that, individual lashes are commonly used in the China Douyin beauty tutorials too. Individual lashes are single lash hairs that you can apply to add thickness and length to your lashes. While these can be tedious to apply, they often give the most natural looking false lash look. Due to the ability to precisely place them where needed, both cluster and individual lashes are perfect for day-to-day use or for anyone who prefers subtler false lashes. The China Douyin beauty influencers often pair individual and cluster lashes to create multiple stunning looks. With these lashes, it gives us the great freedom to customize our eyelashes according to our preference and style. Well, there are actually various types of cluster lashes that are widely discussed in the Chinese beauty world. Each individual type has its own unique effects on your eyes and your overall appearance. Thus, it is best to first learn about all the different types that fit your personality and preference, before you actually spend money on them. First, the fairy type lashes. Fairy type lashes is the most common among Korean celebrities. They are known for best achieving natural look. Fairy type lashes can be further divided into two types. One is the A-line fairy lashes, and the other one is the individual fairy lash. The A-shaped fairy lashes is a cluster lashes that is in the shape of A. As you can see that it is arranged in the manner that the thickest lash is placed in the middle, and there are two finer lashes placed at its side to thicken the roots. While the individual fairy lash is just like its name. It is single lash hair that is usually placed in between the other cluster lashes for a more luscious look. Next up, the fishtail cluster lashes. The Chinese called this type of lashes as fishtail lashes, because of its shape resembles the fishtail. The fishtail lashes are a great option if you prefer to go for natural everyday look. This type of lashes has different lashes arrangement compared to the fairy type ones. It has longer lash hairs placed at the outermost corner, and it gradually reduced its length when it is reaching to the middle. This type of lashes is often used as the base lashes for multiple looks, as it can give more volume and thicken the appearance of our lashes. Besides that, it will be paired with other types of lashes to create more different looks. And we also have the regular cluster lashes that you normally see. This type of cluster lashes is normally used as the base lashes for different looks as well. All the lash hairs in the regular cluster lashes have similar length, but they are arranged in such a manner that it creates the appearance of our actual lashes. However, the Chinese has done some changes to this regular cluster lashes. Hence it has further evolved into a new type of cluster lashes. It is called the sandwich cluster lashes. We know that the name sounds a little funny, because we just translate its name from its literal meaning in Mandarin. Before you laugh at us, it is called as sandwich cluster lashes for a reason. The thicker lash hair is placed in the middle, and it is sandwiched by 4 finer lash hairs at its side. It is also called as the Barbie lashes in the Chinese beauty platforms. This type of lashes can be an easy and quick option if you want something more dramatic to make your eyes pop, especially on the days that you're running late or feeling lazy. Not to forget the lower lashes falsies. There are also different types of cluster or individual lashes available. All of them are able to enhance your lower lashes to give the dolly eyes look. The cluster or individual lashes with different lengths are placed at various parts of our lower lash line to enhance our eyes. Well, we believe that we've covered almost every types of cluster lashes available in the market. Let's move on to the next part. The cluster or individual lashes usually comes in different lengths. It normally ranges from 9 to 12 mm, while the lower falsies often comes in 5 to 7 mm. However, the choice for the length of the cluster falsies is actually based on the width of your eyes. The lengths of the falsies are placed strategically to enhance our eye shape. There are two common ways of arranging your falsies. First way is the short at front, long at back method, and the second way is the long at middle, short at sides method. The first method, longer lashes are placed at the end of our eyes, so it can help to elongate our eye shape. It goes well with the latest eyeshadow application technique, the parallelogram eyeshadow. This arrangement is the best choice for any cat or fox eyes look. However, if you have downturned or hooded eye shape, adding excessive long lashes at outer end of your eyes will not accentuate the shape of your eyes, so you can definitely try the second method. The longer lashes are placed in the middle and it helps to increase the width of our eyes. It will make our eyes look rounder and wider. If you have round or almond-shaped eyes, this lash placement would look great on you. Normally the Douyin gurus suggest to use the 9 or 10 mm lashes to be placed at the inner corner and outer corner, and the 11 mm ones will be placed in the middle. As we said before, it's all up to you if you want to go for longer length for more dramatic look or the natural length for a subtle look. Next, let's get down to the real business, the application. We have compiled the tutorial that show you how to apply cluster lashes step by step in detail. Before applying them on your lashes, make sure you have all the tools and stuffs ready. What you will need is a pair of tweezers, mirror, lash glue, and the cluster lashes that you pick. Next, where to place your falsies? Beneath your lash line or above your lashes? The answer to this question depends on how much your upper eyelid is covering your iris. To know which placement suits you, you will need to get a mirror and look straight into it. Do nothing and look into the mirror with eyes open naturally. Observe your iris if it is covered by your upper lid. You can compare your eyelid to this picture shown here. If your eyelid covers 1/3 of your iris or less, and your eyelids are not really puffy, you can place your falsies underneath your lashes. On the other hand, if your upper lid covers more than 2/3 or half of your iris, you will need to place your falsies above your lashes. You can also opt for double lid tape or sticker to lift up your lid, to open up more iris space, so the falsies can be placed either above or below your lashes. Where you have hooded or droopy lids, placing the lashes on top of your lashes will have better effect in enhancing your eye shape. Placing falsies on top of your actual lashes here means placing them at the lid area that you normally fill in your eyeliner. That very fine space close to your lash line that you fill in your eyeliner, that's the exact spot you are putting your falsies. While placing falsies below your lashes here means placing them at the area that you normally fill in your inner liner. Once you identified which placement suits your eyes better, you are ready to start. For this tutorial, we are showing the most common cluster lashes combination that is worn by the Douyin gurus. If you have short or sparse lashes, the combination of fairy A-type and fishtail type cluster lashes is your holy grail. Not only it opens up your eye area and helps to emphasize your beautiful eyes, but it looks so natural that straight guys can't even notice they are falsies. First, curl your actual lashes. This is important to lift your lashes, so they can support the falsies to be placed on them later. Not curling your lashes beforehand will cause your falsies to push your actual lashes further down and it will block your eyes. Then, apply mascara primer to set the curl. Make sure the curl can stay for longer hours. If you have thicker lashes, you can also put on some mascara to further enhance your actual lashes. Next, we will start by placing the fishtail type lashes. Count the total number of cluster lashes you need. Take out the lashes that you need from the case by using the tweezers, so it will be easier for you to put glue on them later on. For fishtail type cluster lashes, you will need to take it by its roots. Taking it from the end or from the sides will cause breakage to the lashes, so always remember to tweeze it from the entire bottom or the entire root area. However, for fairy type lashes, you will need to tweeze it from the middle area of the lashes. Tweezing it from the bottom or the end will break the lashes, so please bear in mind that the tweezers should go into the middle when you want to get the lashes out from the case. Once you have taken the lashes out from the case, you can arrange them according to their placement on the lid. Please refer to this picture shown here for the arrangement and length of cluster lashes used in this lash combination. Then, squeeze out a little lash glue on the lid. We will start by applying the base lashes first, the fishtail type lashes. Do you know that the way that your tweezers hold the cluster lashes will affect how great your lashes will look at last? If you're going to place your cluster lashes at the inner corner of your lash line, hold it by tilting it slightly to your left. If you're placing cluster lashes at the outer corner, hold it by tilting it slightly to your right. If it is placed in the middle, hold it straight like this. Next, dip your cluster lashes into the lash glue. Remember to avoid touching your tweezers with the glue, otherwise your lashes will stick to your tweezers, and it will all become messy in the end. Once the cluster lashes are dipped with glue, you will need to remove the excess lash glue by scraping off the glue at any surfaces like this. Remember, if you're placing your clusters falsies below of your actual lashes, you need to scrap off the excess glue at the bottom of it. If the cluster's lashes are placed on top of your actual lashes, you will need to remove the glue at the top of the cluster falsies. Whichever side you want to place your falsies. Just remember that the side that will be in contact with your actual lashes, make sure there is glue on top of them. Once you're done with this step, you can apply it on your lashes. Get a mirror and place it at the angle which you are able to see your lash line clearly. Place your cluster falsies below your lash line. Then use the end of tweezers to adjust the placement and ensure it is attached firmly to your actual lashes. Then, continue to the same for the entire lash line. For a daily subtle look, the fishtail type cluster lashes are more than enough. Look how natural it is. If you want something more, you can proceed to add the fairy type cluster lashes in between them. And this is how it looks. It gives the dolly-like eyes that can go well with any makeup style. For the lower lashes, you can put on mascara primer to enhance them. Apply 2 coats to further enhance the lower lashes. The entire eye look is leveled up with the application of cluster falsies. I am just so amazed how realistic they look. Keep in mind that you don't have to limit yourself to one type or a particular combination of cluster falsies. You can combine different multitude of ways to customize your eyelashes. Play around with placement and consider using them in conjunction with other cluster falsies to create the perfect lash look. So in the last part of our video, we have compiled some favorite lashes combination posted by the Chinese beauty community. Be ready to screenshot for the looks that you want to try. Have you found your signature lash look? We hope that our video today will be useful for the devoted falsies fans out there who wants to try something new. Or you are a makeup rookie who wants to explore more ways to enhance your beauty? We wish that our video comes in time for you. Will you try out this new falsies application technique? Comment below and let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!